Good morning, children. So in the yesterday's class, we discussed about set theory, isn't it? We just started with the introduction of set theory. What is a set? Let's revise it. What is a set? What is a set? Yes, just go through the definition, what we wrote. Yes, anybody can answer. Okay, those who know the answer, answer it.
It's a collection of well-defined objects.
Yes, very good. It is a collection of well-defined objects. Okay, set is a collection of well-defined objects. And we learned some examples, okay, of sets. And we also go through the sets we use in mathematics. Okay, can you list out some sets that we use in mathematics? Which are the sets we use in mathematics? Pavitra, can you try?
Natural numbers,
Natural numbers,
whole numbers,
whole numbers, yes.
integers,
Integers. Okay, like that we have rational numbers, real numbers and all. Okay, this is what we learned yesterday. Set is a collection of well-defined objects. Okay, so now I'm going to ask few questions. You have to tell me whether it is a set or not. When I give some sets, okay, when I give some objects, you have to tell me whether it is a set or not. Okay, write the question. Write the question. Which of the following are sets? Which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. Justify your answer. Which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. Which of the following are sets? You have to justify your answer. Okay, under that first one, collection of all months in a year. Collection of months, all months in a year, starting with the alphabet M. Collection of all months in a year, starting with the alphabet M. Collection of all months in a year, starting with the alphabet M. Starting with the letter M. Starting with the letter M. Is it a set? What is the set? It is a well-defined object. Okay, if I give the month August, whether August will be belonging to set? What is the answer? What is your answer, Akshay? Is it a set or not?
No, ma'am.
Is it a set?
No,
Why?
because it's not starting with them.
Okay, element is not there, isn't it? Element is not there. Okay, we can say element is not there. But is it clearly defined? If I give the month as May, whether May belongs to that set? Whether the month May belong to this set? Yes, Vinay, whether the month May will be belonging to this or not? Yes, isn't it? Mother May, Yum. It is starting with Yum. So here it is a set. Akshay, listen. What is meant by set? Okay, set means if we give an element, you can clearly say whether it belongs or not belongs. Earlier, I gave one example, August. What about the month August? Whether it belongs to this one? You said no, isn't it? It is not there. So we can say the answer correctly. No, it is not belonging. Okay, if I say the month May, whether it is there? Yes. If I say June, whether June will be belonging to that one? Whether June will be belonging there?
Yes.
Why? How you can say yes? What is the question given here? Collection of all months in a year, starting with the letter M. So June means, is it starting with the letter M? No, isn't it? So it is not there. So we can clearly say that it is does not belong. The month June does not belong there. The month May belongs there. So we can give the answer clearly. It will not change. Therefore, it is a set. Is it clear? Don't misunderstand that. If we say always yes, it is a set. If the answer comes no, it is not a set. It is not like that. Okay, are you getting this idea, Akshay? Are you getting this? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
The answer is not depending on yes or no. Whether we are able to give the correct answer without changing. Okay. If I say September, September is it? Will it be belonging to that? September. September, will it belong there? Come on. The month September, whether it will
No.
be belonging? No. Isn't it? If I ask Krishna Kanti, you'll be what you will be answer? Is it yes or no? Whether the month September belongs to that
No.
collection? No. So, no, isn't it? If I ask it after 1 month also, the answer will be no. It is not changing. Answer is same, isn't it? Therefore, it is a set. Therefore, it is a set. So, collection of all months starting with the letter M is a set. Right, the next one. Next one. A team of, second one, a team of best cricket players in the world. A team of best cricket players in the world. A team of best cricket players in the world. Is it a set? Pranav, what is your answer?
No,
No. Why?
it can be changing.
It will be changing, isn't it? If I say Sachin Tendulkar, you will be accepting. But if I go and say in Australia, Sachin is the best player, means they'll be saying no. Yes, they will say some other player, isn't it? If I say Dravid, okay. If I say Rahul, okay. Then it'll be saying, few of them will be accepting, few of them will be saying no. Is that no? So it will change. Therefore, it is not a set. Right, the next one. Collection of all novels. Collection of all novels written by, collection of all novels written by Munshi Premchand. Munshi Premchand. What about this one? Is it a set or not a set? Vinay, what is your answer?
Yes, it is a set.
Very good. It is a set, isn't it? If I give a book, if I give a name of a book, you can say whether it is written by Premchand or not, isn't it? So it is a set. It is a set. Next one. Write the next one. Collection of all questions in a chapter. Collection of all questions in a chapter. Collection of all questions in a chapter. Will it be a set? Collection of all questions in a chapter. If you take a chapter, we can check which are the questions, which are the theory part and all, isn't it? So collection of all questions. Is it a set or not a set? Pavitra, what is your answer, Pavitra? It is a set. It is a set. Next one. Collection of most dangerous animals in the world. Collection of most dangerous animals of the world. Is it a set or not a set? What is your answer, Akshay? Most dangerous animals of the world. Will it be a set? Is it a set? Akshay? Yes, Aman, is it a set?
No, ma'am.
No, it's not a set. Why? Why it is not a set? Your answer is correct, Aman. You give the answer. Why? What is the reason? Why it is not a set? Okay, you might have heard the news, or you can see your sisters, brothers are screaming by looking at a small cockroach and all. Yes or no? According to them, they'll be saying, cockroach is a dangerous one. But you can see some of them, they are living with the lion. Okay, if you look in the geographic channels and all, you can see that one. Okay, like if you see this person, Vava Suresh, isn't it? He says snake is not a dangerous one. As I know. Huh? So it is changing. It will vary. So it is not a set. Is it clear? Is it okay, children? Is this okay? So the next thing we are going to learn is representation of sets. Representation of sets. Okay, now listen, children. Just revise it. What is a set? Set is a collection of well-defined objects. It is a collection of well-defined objects. Okay, so the next thing we are going to learn is representation of sets. Write the heading, representation of sets. Sets can be represented in two ways. First one is roster form or tabular form. And the second one is set builder form. First one is roster form or tabular form. And the second one is set builder form. Okay, there are two ways to represent the sets. Representation of sets. There are two ways to represent the sets. First one is roster form or tabular form. Second one is set builder form. Okay, so we can learn that one in detail. We are going to learn that one in detail. So set representation. Okay, so set representation, representation of set. The first one we are going to learn is set builder form. Set builder form means in the set builder form, we write the rule as an expression. We write the rule as an expression. For example, look at here. We represent the set using capital letters. Okay, don't write. First listen. Once you listen this one only, you'll be able to understand it clearly. Okay, suppose I'm writing like this. A is equal to set of all x. Okay, I'm writing two colon. But how I will read it? Set of all x such that. How I read? Set of all x such that. But what is the symbol I am writing there? Two dots are there. Set of all x such that x is a multiple of 2. X is a multiple of 2 and 2 belongs to n. 2 is in null. 2, x is a multiple of 2, comma, x belongs to n. X belongs to n. What is n? Capital N means it is natural number. Here, look at here, we are writing the rule completely. How I am reading this? Set of all x such that x is a multiple of 2 and 2 belongs to n. The same thing, we can write it, okay, like this. Set of all x. Listen, instead of writing 2 dots, sometimes this slash is also used. In some books, you can see slash. In our textbook also, both the notations are used. Okay, if you take the NCERT textbook, both colon and slash, both are used. So set of all x such that x is equal to 2n, where n belongs to n. What does this symbol stands for? Belongs. Belongs means that element is in n. So that symbol stands for belongs. Okay, so here what is the form we are writing? We are giving the rule. We are giving the rule clearly. Set of all x such that x is equal to 2n. It is a multiple of 2, 2n. When I put n is 1, you will get 2. When I put n is 2, you will get 4. Like that, it goes on. Is it okay, Pavitra? Vinay, are you getting this concept? Is it okay, Vinay? Any doubt? Vinay? No smile at all. That's what I'm asking. Huh? Are you getting confused? Is it okay? Tell me.
It's okay.
Okay. If you have doubt, you clear. Okay, ask it. Ask your doubts. Clear your doubts. Aman and Akshay, also keep your video on so that I can look at your face and I'll be able to understand. So class, okay, throughout the class, keep your video on always. Okay, so write down this, children. Write down this. Okay, this is what we are writing in set builder form. So in set builder form, we write the rules as a form of expression. We give the general rule. This is what we call it as set builder form. Okay. Now listen, children. The same thing, how I can write this in roster form. How we are writing this in roster form. Roster form is otherwise called tabular form. It is otherwise called tabular form. We tabulate all the elements. We write all the elements separated by comma. Look at here. The same set. The same set I am expressing in roster form. How we can write? Here I am writing 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. It is an infinite set. It goes on, isn't it? We are getting only the multiples of 2. So which are the multiples of 2? Multiples of 2, natural number, isn't it? So we get 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. Is it okay? 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. Are you able to distinguish these two types, children? Here we are writing each element and we separate it by comma. Here we are giving just a rule. We are giving the rule. Here we are writing all the elements explicitly and we separate it by comma. So these are the two forms. These are the two ways in which we can represent a set. These are the two ways for representing a set. Okay, you copied this? You copied this one, children? See, till you get your textbook, just copy what is being given in the class. Along with, I'll be sending some exercise questions. Okay, today evening, I'll be sending some exercise questions. You have to do that one. Okay. Finished? Is it over? Okay, write the next one. Write the one. Write the following sets in roster form. Write the following sets in roster form. So I'm going to give 3 sets. You have to give the sets in roster form. A is set of all x such that x belongs to n and x is a factor of 42. X belongs to n. Look at here. What does this symbol stands for? This one means belongs. X belongs. That symbol stands for belongs. X belongs to n and x is a factor of 42. Second one, D is equal to set of all x such that x is a vowel. Such that x is a vowel in English alphabet. Such that x is a vowel in English alphabet. X is a vowel in English alphabet. Third one, C is equal to set of all Z such that Z is an odd natural number. Z is an odd natural number. So these sets, look at here, these sets are given in roster form. We are giving the condition only. Okay, you have to write it in, sorry, we are giving this in set builder form. We should convert this in roster form. Write the elements in roster form. Write the sets in roster form. Yes. You copied all the question, children? Is it over? Vinay, copied? Can you give the answer? First one, what is the answer? Akshay, in roster form. Give the answer for the first one in roster form. Yes.
X is a factor of 42.
Yes. So what is the answer in roster form?
Uh,
Hmm.
2,
2.
2,
Hmm.
4,
Hmm.
2, 6,
2, 6,
2, 6, 7,
7.
2, 6, 7.
Hmm. Look at here. Vinay, what is the answer, Vinay? Okay, your answer is correct. Okay, now Vinay, give me the answer.
2, 3, 7.
2, 3, 6, 7. Along with that, what you can write? You start from 1. 1 into 42 is 42, isn't it? 1 into 42 is 42. Then 2 into 21. Is it clear how I'm writing? Is it, check it out how I wrote here? 1 with 42. 2 with 21. Then if I take 3, 3 with
14.
3 with 14, isn't it? 3 into 14. Then 6 sevens are 42. Is it okay? Okay, like that you proceed, it means you will not miss all the numbers. Is it okay, Akshay?
Yes, ma'am.
No. Your answer is correct, but you missed 1 or 2 terms. Okay, that one you can rectify by writing in this order. You start from 1. 1 into 42. If it is divisible by 2, 2 into which one? 3. Like that you can proceed. Now, look at the next one. Aman. Give the answer, Aman. B. X is a vowel in English alphabet. X is a vowel in English alphabet. So which
Ma'am.
all the elements will belong to B in roster form?
A, E, I, O, U.
Yeah, yes, correct. A, E, I, O, U. These are called vowels. The letters which are not vowels, we call it as consonants. Which are not vowels, we call it as consonants. Okay, it is A, E, I, O, U. Now look at the next one, C. Z is an odd natural number. Yes, Pavitra. Try this answer, Pavitra.
1, 3, 5, 7.
Very good. 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. It goes on, isn't it? It's an infinite set. We can't say which is the last element. It goes on. 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. Okay? Is it okay? Pranav, is it clear? Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Now write the next one. Write the next heading. Write the following sets in set builder form. Write the following sets in set builder form. Write the following sets in set builder form. So sets will be given in roster form. We should write the sets in set builder form. Write the sets in set builder form. Okay, so write the set. The set is given like this. A is equal to set 1, 4, 9, 16, and so on. 1, 4, 9, 16, and so on. How will you write the set in set builder form? Can you identify the rule here? What is the rule? 1, 4, 9, 16. That means? What is the rule, Pranav? If you look at the number, what can you say about these numbers?
I don't know.
Check it. 1, 4, 9, 16 means, are they perfect squares? Whether they are perfect squares? Okay, are they perfect squares? Look at here. 1 means, can we write this as 1 square? 4 means we can write this as 2 square. 9 means it is 3 square. 16 means 4 square, and so on. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, and so on. Okay, so this is given in roster form. This is given in roster form. Now we want to write it in set builder form. So how to write this in set builder form? A is equal to set of all x. A is equal to set of all x such that x is equal to n square, where n belongs to n. Is it correct? If you take an element, that element is of the form 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, and where n belongs to n, where n is a natural number, where n belongs to n. Okay, in rows. Okay, how we are writing this in set builder form? Set of all x such that x is equal to n square, and where n belongs to n. Okay. Now write the next one. B is equal to the sets 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6, 6 by 7. 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6, 6 by 7. So how will you write this in set builder form? Look at here. Look at what is the relation here, numerator and denominator. What is in the numerator? With that you add 1, you will get the denominator. Is it like that? 1 plus 1 is 2. If 2 is there, means 2 plus 1. Okay, so how we can write this in roster form? It is set of all x such that x is of the form n by n plus 1. Is it correct? Is it of the form n by n plus 1? Okay. Is it of the form n by n plus 1? Where, look at here, n belongs to n. N is a natural number. And natural number from where to where? And n is less than or equal to 6. Up to 6 only we are taking. Only those natural numbers up to 6. N less than or equal to 6. Is it okay? If you take this, look at this element, you can understand that denominator is 1 more than the numerator. So we are writing this as set of all x such that x is equal to n by n plus 1. It is of the form n by n plus 1, where n belongs to n and n is less than or equal to 6. And n is less than or equal to 6. N is less than or equal to 6. Is it okay? Is it clear, children? Hmm? Now write the next one, third one. Third one. C is equal to set 5, 25, 125, 625. 5, 25, 125, 625. What is your answer? What is the answer in set builder form? How will you represent this in set builder form? 5, 25, 125, 625. What is the answer? Look at here. What you can say about these numbers? Tell me, Vinay. What you look at looking at these numbers? What you can see? What you can understand?
Squares. 5.
Is it square?
I mean,
Hmm.
no.
No. Then what is the common thing? Krishna Gandhi, can you tell me what is the thing common? Yes. Who will be giving the answer? Pavitra. Yes. They are multiples of power 5. Look at here. Here it is 5 raised to 1. 25 means is it 5 square? 5 into 5. 125 means it is 5 cube. 625 means it is 5 raised to 4. So we can write this in set builder form as set of all x such that x is of the form 5 raised to n. X is of the form 5 raised to n, where n belongs to n. N is a natural number. N belongs to n, and from where to where n value is there? 1 to 4. So 1 less than or equal to n, less than or equal to 4. N takes the values from 1 to 4. N takes the numbers between 1 and 4. N can take value 1, n can take value 2, n can take value 3, and it will be taking 4. So 1 less than or equal to n, less than or equal to 4. 4, because 5 raised to 4 only we have here. Okay? Is it okay? Now is it clear? The representation of sets only we have learned. The sets can be represented in 2 ways. Which are the 2 ways? Pranav, what are the 2 ways?
Roster form, set
And
builder.
set builder form. Roster form and set builder form. If the set is given in roster form, we can write in set builder form. If the set is given in set builder form, then we can write it in roster form. Is it clear? Okay. So in the next class, we'll be learning more about that. Okay. Today I'll be sending few homework questions. Write the question and then answer it. Okay. Whenever you do the homeworks, write the question and then write the answer. Okay, children. Thank you. Thank you.